In the name of Abaya saya Hamasya, saya dapat your holy name. Hello, I'm Saud Ishak Simanjuntak again. Welcome back to Small Talk ESL YouTube channel or ST2 ESL. American English for Indonesian ESL. And how are you doing, guys? I hope you are doing great, heavy, and God bless. And then our topic today is about common phrasal verbs begin with the word make. Make. American English Casual Talk for Indonesian who learning ESL. Jadi, topik kita pada hari ini adalah kata kerja prasal umum yang dimulai dengan kata make. Bahasa Inggris Amerika yang digunakan oleh native speaker dalam obrolan santai untuk pelajaran bagi orang-orang Indonesia yang mempelajari bahasa Inggris sebagai bahasa kedua. Okay, let's jump to our topic. Common phrasal verbs begin with the word make. And so, phrasal verbs begin with the word make that often used by American casual talk as the following. 1. Make for. 2. Make up. 3. Make up for. 4. Make over. 5. Make out. 6. Make of. 7. Make off. 8. Make out of. 9. Make way. 10. Make toward. Okay, let's discuss these phrasal verbs one by one. Number 1. Make for. The meaning of make for as below. To move toward a place to help make something happen. To move toward a place to help make something happen. Jadi yang artinya untuk bergerak menuju suatu tempat untuk membantu mewujudkan sesuatu. Okay, let us look the examples of make for. He finished his last words and made for the door. He finished his last word and made for the door. Yang artinya dia menyelesaikan kata-kata terakhirnya dan berjalan ke pintu atau dia bergerak ke pintu. Okay, next. Playing games doesn't make for a good job. Playing games doesn't make for a good job. Bermain game tidak membantu menghasilkan kerja yang baik. Okay, next. My careful consideration made for great decisions. My careful consideration made for great decisions. Pertimbangan hati-hati saya dibuat untuk keputusan besar. Okay, number 2, make up. Make up. The meaning of make up as below. To invent a story or excuse to put on makeup to become friends again. To invent a story or excuse to put on makeup to become friends again. Untuk menciptakan cerita atau alasan untuk memakai makeup untuk menjadi teman lagi. Okay, let us look the examples of makeup as below. Sorry, that was the story that I made up. Sorry, that was the story that I made up. Maaf, itu cerita yang saya buat-buat. She usually spent an hour making herself up before parties. She usually spends an hour making herself up before parties. Dia biasanya menghabiskan waktu 1 jam untuk berdandan sebelum pesta. Next. That's my fault. I'll make it up to her. That's my fault. I'll make it up to her. Itu salahku. Aku akan berteman lagi dengannya. Make up for. The meaning of make up for as below. To do something to correct your fault. To do something to correct your faults. Untuk melakukan sesuatu untuk memperbaiki kesalahan. Okay, let us look the example of make up for as below. Her diligence makes up for her inexperience. Her diligence makes up for her inexperience. Ketekunannya menebus kekurangan pengalamannya. Nothing can make up for what he has done to my family. Nothing can make up for what he has done to my family. Tidak ada yang bisa menebus apa yang telah dia lakukan pada keluargaku. I bought a present to make up for being late. I bought a present to make up for being late. Saya membeli hadiah untuk menebus keterlambatan. Okay, number 4, makeover. The meaning of makeover as below. To legally make someone the owner of something, to change the appearance of someone or something. To legally make someone the owner of something, to change the appearance of someone or something. Untuk segera secara hukum membuat seseorang pemilik sesuatu, untuk mengubah penampilan seseorang atau sesuatu. Okay, let us look the examples of makeover. Makeover. This house was made over to his son. This house was made over to his son. Rumah ini dibuat untuk putranya. My grandparents made their properties over to my dad. My grandparents made their properties over to my dad. Kakek nenek saya membuat properti mereka menjadi milik ayah saya. Can you make over these old jeans? Can you make over these old jeans? Bisakah kamu mengganti jeans tua ini? Five, make out. The meaning of make out as below. To successfully deal with something, to touch someone in a sexual way, or to have sex with someone, to understand someone's characters. To successfully deal with something, to touch someone in a sexual way, or to have sex with someone, to understand someone's characters. Untuk berhasil menangani sesuatu, menyentuh seseorang dengan cara seksual atau berhubungan seks dengan seseorang. Untuk memahami karakter seseorang. Okay? Let us look the example of make out as below. He can never make me out. He can never make me out. Dia tidak pernah bisa membuatku keluar. He struggled to make out with his new business. He struggled to make out with his new business. Dia berjuang untuk keluar dengan bisnis barunya. He made out with his best friend last night. He made out with his best friend last night. Dia bercumbu dengan sahabatnya tadi malam. Okay, let's take a break for a while. Please take a time to support Small Talk to ESL YouTube channel. If you like and enjoy to this video, I want all of you, Small Talk to ESL viewers and audience, subscribe and click notification bell. One more. Subscribe by pressing the red button and notification bell, or activate the notification bell, and like, share, and comment on the description below of this video. Okay, let us continue our lesson about phrasal verbs. Begin with the word make. 6. Make off. The meaning of make off as below. To understand someone or the meaning of something. To understand someone or the meaning of something. Untuk memahami seseorang atau arti dari sesuatu. Okay, let us look example of make off as below. I'm confused about what to make of her statement. I'm confused about what to make of her statement. Aku bingung apa maksud dari pernyataannya. He's so cold, I don't know what to make of him. He's so cold, I don't know what to make of him. Dia sangat dingin, saya tidak tahu apa yang harus saya lakukan padanya. What do you make of her speech? What do you make of her speech? Apakah Anda paham akan pidatonya? Okay, next, number 7. Make of. The meaning of make of as below. Escape. Escape. Melarikan diri, luput, lepas, keluar. Okay, let us look examples of make of. The murderers made off before the police arrived. The murderers made off before the police arrived. Para pembunuh kabur sebelum polisi tiba. If you don't make off, you'll be in jail. If you don't make off, you'll be in jail. Jika engkau tidak kabur, engkau akan dipenjara. The kids broke my window and made off afterward. The kids broke my window and made off afterward. Anak-anak memecahkan jendela saya dan kabur sesudahnya. Number 8. Make out of. The meaning of make out of as below. To create something from another thing. To interpret someone or something. To create something from another thing. To interpret someone or something. Untuk membuat sesuatu dari hal lain. Untuk menafsirkan seseorang atau sesuatu. Okay, let us look the examples of make out of. They made this dog out of cartons. They made this dog out of cartons. Mereka membuat anjing ini dari karton. What do you make out of this message? What do you make out of this message? Apa yang Anda dapatkan dari pesan ini? This robot is made of plastic and wood. This robot is made out of plastic and wood. Robot ini terbuat dari plastik dan kayu. Okay, next, number 9, make way. The meaning of make way as below. To move aside so that someone or something can pass. To make room for something. To move aside so that someone or something can pass. To make room for something. untuk minggir sehingga seseorang atau sesuatu bisa lewat, untuk memberi ruang bagi sesuatu. Examples of make way. Trees were cut down to make way for tall buildings. Trees were cut down to make way for tall buildings. Pohon-pohon ditebang untuk membuka jalan bagi gedung-gedung tinggi. They all stepped back to make way for the celebrities. They all stepped back to make way for the celebrities. Mereka semua mundur untuk memberi jalan bagi para selebriti. Make way, please. The ambulance is coming through. Make way, please. The ambulance is coming through. Tolong beri jalan. Ambulans akan datang. Ten. Make towards. The meaning of make towards as below. To move towards someone or something. To move towards someone or something. Untuk bergerak menuju seseorang atau sesuatu. Okay, let us look examples of make toward. He hasn't fully recovered from the operation. He couldn't even make toward the bathroom. He hasn't fully recovered from the operation. He couldn't even make toward the bathroom. Dia belum sepenuhnya pulih dari operasi. Dia bahkan tidak bisa berjalan ke kamar mandi. She quickly made toward the gate and disappeared in the dark. She quickly made toward the gate and disappeared in the dark. Dia dengan cepat menuju gerbang dan menghilang dalam kegelapan. We'd better make toward the shore. Would better make toward the shore. Sebaiknya kita menuju pantai. Well, this all for now. From Smalltalk ESL YouTube channel. Or ST2ESL, and if you like and enjoy to this video, please support Smalltalk to ESL YouTube channel by subscribe with pressing red buttons and active notification bell. And one more, I remind you, please subscribe with press red button and click the notification bell to make this channel exist. Give the next video about educational spoken English, and for your support wherever you are. who subscriber or viewer or audience of Small Talk TESL YouTube channel. I'm really thank you. And one more time, don't forget, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, and God bless. See you the next video. Bye-bye.